Hello, this is a classic example of Restore at Work. We trace the journey of Blossom in a client's farm in Nyeri County. On day 1, she had heavy infestation with colors worm despite proper feeding. The reverse team started the program rollout. Take a look. On day 30, during a follow-up visit, appetite doubled and she looks better fed. On day 60, during a follow-up visit, the body conditions completely improved. On day 90, during a follow-up visit, complete restoration was observed. Production is at 18 liters. Ultimately, colorful and scented.